Hello and a very good afternoon to all my lovely kids. So we have Satish here, the very first one to join. Then we have Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya, you are the captain today. Then we have Aradhya and Satish, no? So look at the clock. I'm on time today. No? Hi Siddhi, how are you doing? Just check your time. Am I late today? Did I give you any reason to be annoyed with me? No. Not this time. No? Okay. So when my kids can join on time, even before that, why not ma'am? No? है ना? है कि नहीं? बताओ मुझे. बताओ. सिद्धि बताएगी. आराध्या बताएगी. सतीश. So we have आज का दिन जो कि है Sunday. Hello. Please type in your name. Please type in your name, kids. So you happy today for ma'am joining on time? Dhwani. Hi Dhwani. How are you doing? How are you doing? Satish. Naughty boy. Yay. Okay, in the meantime, kids are slowly joining. Let them join, no? Challenge accepted, friends. Okay. Hello, mom. Hi, dear. Just type in your name. Type in your name so that I can see the kids joining in here. And how was your end of the topic test? Just let me know how the topic test was. I think I'm quite ahead than others, no? I joined on time. I didn't join early, but I joined on time. Jianshi. Okay, Jianshi here. Okay, that's great. Oh, do I need to speak a little loudly? Okay, sure. Keep your volume on and I'll be louder. No problem. Okay, so Siddhi, how was the test? Jianshi, were you there in the test today? Okay, so kids, where are others? Arohi, Anya, Uzair, Akshans, where are those kids? Sri Harini, Arinandini, Aridipta, missing. That's not nice, no? Okay, let's get started with the screen shared in here. Just let me know once you can see the screen, no kids? So now we have a screen that welcomes you with me. So dear kids, me and Math welcomes you here in their live class. Okay, so we're going to be going ahead with a very quick names typing. So we have the Viber here, and as you all know, आज captains कौन है भाई? आज captains हैं सतीश और आराध्या. What was special last lesson, Aradhya? Satish and Aradhya. Am I spelling you correct? Okay, kids. Then we have Siddhi. We have Jianshi joined here. Anyone else? Yes. So Aradhya. Oh, really? Am I not looking energetic today? That's not nice. Thank you so much for the feedback. And if that is the case, we're going to be starting with a quick happy song. Okay? Do we have anyone else I missed? Siddhi is here. Okay. I mean, not all the kids are here, no? When you all are not here, then it is like with low energy. Okay, so Siddhi wants to go to आराध्या's team. Okay, सिद्धि चलो आपको मैं ले चलती हूँ आराध्या की टीम में. जियांशी चलो आपको मैं ले चलती हूँ सतीश की टीम में. Hang on. Did you see something, Jianshi? Okay, so let's go there. And you, Siddhi, you will be here with Aradhya's team. ठीक है? अभी team strong हो गए हैं? Yeah. Yes. Siddhi and Aradhya in a team, and Jianshi and Satish in another team. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we have a happy song today. You won't believe like how did I get this happy song in my mind today. I was in this lesson of very young kids, juniors, first graders, and we had this song there. Happy. Definitely. Oh, Dhwani, how come? Dhwani, really sorry. Dhwani here with Satish, in Satish team. Okay, sorry Dhwani. Okay, so kids, we are having a happy song. Like how we gonna be singing that? We will have, this is a happy song. आप सब ने सुना होगा, no? So we will have happy 3 times. Then you're gonna be singing with me, no? Together. Happy 5 times. Then happy 7 times. Happy 5 times. Okay. So ready? Let's get started with a happy song. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Happy. It's hiding behind me, no? What should I do? Shall I move myself? Or maybe just move the screen a bit for you to see? No? Like that. It's perfect, I guess. Okay, let's get started again. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy. 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 Yay! This is my happy song. I wanna sing it all day long. Okay, so first we're gonna be going with slow happy, and then it would be a quick happy, right? For some reason, it feels like would you give me 1 second? Okay. So kids, now it would be a slow challenge and a fast challenge, right? So slow challenge would be like happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Oh, that's 8 actually. And then happy, 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 happy. When it goes fast, you're gonna be going like happy, 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 happy. Yes, we are going to be studying. So for some reason, I'm not able to see all of my students. All of my students. Okay. Okay. So how was the test today? Because in today's test it was like a lot of topics we actually have covered, and you covered obviously all the topics with your me and math teachers, no? Okay, that I don't know, Satish. Okay, now we're going to be starting with, so what all we've learned, we will look at that. We've learned about factors. Amishi not here. We've learned about listing factors. We've learned to create new questions based on these things. We've learned about common factors, no? We've seen prime factorization. And we learned 2 methods to factorize. First was ladder method and the other one was factor tree method, no? I think this all we did. Now today, and we did learn about HCF as well. Today we will learn about HCF only, but different methods we're going to be talking about, right? So we're going to be learning about HCF with different methods. Shall we go ahead? Hi Sri Harini. A little late today. A little late today, no? So do you feel like it's me pausing and resuming back and forth, or it's normal? Debashri ma'am is still there with me in math. Why not you? Just join me in math and sit with your favorite teacher and learn maths with them. No? Okay, let me just try once again. Okay, so we have Jianshi here, Satish here, Sri Harini here, Dhwani, Siddhi, and Aradhya, if I'm not missing anyone. So as Sri Harini joined here, so Sri Harini, you are there in Aradhya's team. Okay, now kids, today as we discussed, we're going to be talking about HCF using different methods. Okay, so again, let me welcome you to Me and Math Live class, right? We are learning factors and multiples, and this is session 5. So let's have our star winners for this week.
3, 2, 1.
Purnika, you are also not here today. Purnika, you should be here, no? Satvik is not here today. Congratulations, Purnika and Riyansh. Very well done. Good job. Good job, kids. Oh, guess the word. We have a mystery moment here which is asking us to guess the word. Can you guess this word? Can you guess this word? Just think. So what's the problem? You can join anytime, no? If you're missing something really from the bottom of your heart, you can join anytime. Siddhi says, full screen? That's a full screen, isn't it? That's really a full screen. No? Fraction. Yes. Let's see what the answer is. Fraction. Yeah. So here is a fracture, as we can see, and there is a sun. But don't call it fraction. That is a wrong pronunciation. No, it's fraction. Correct. Okay. So as we have the mastery to do, today's mission is HCF using listing factors. We already covered. HCF using Venn diagram, we will explore today. HCF using ladder method, we did discuss last lesson, no? But we can discuss it again. So let's start with HCF using listing factors. Do you really feel like I should teach you? How about, oh, the full screen for the star student. Okay, yes. So I should, they are really working hard, no? So we should give them the full screen. Sometimes the, yeah. Let me replay our stars.
3, 2, 1.
Harnika, congratulations. Riyansh, congratulations. Good job. Good job. That really gives us energy, no? Okay, so let's get started. If I say, kids, you are having a number 25 and 35, what you have to do? You have to list the factors and then find out the HCF. And as you know, you can directly share your workings with me. So let's get started. Share your workings and I will look at your notebook. Satish, you also can share, no? So you all are going to be sharing your workings, please. If you want, let me just add the number here for you to text me directly. You have to solve it in your notebook and share the picture with me. So the contact number of me and math team is what? Okay, 9319773500. That's what the let me pin it. Okay, I've pinned the message. Now you can see this contact number. Do it in your notebook, share with me. Arohi, none of the Arohis joined today. Only one Aradhya joined today. None of the Anyas joined today. That is not good. हम लोग next lesson में बात नहीं करेंगे इनसे, ठीक है? Amishi didn't join today. Uzair didn't join today. Satvik didn't join today. Okay, so kids, what you need to do, the 25 and 35, let's see who's gonna be going to be the fastest responder today. No? Last time, the fastest responder badge was given to Aradhya. Let's see who's gonna be the fastest responder today. But आपको अपनी workings मुझे share करनी है through WhatsApp. No? And the second thing, who missed to like this live? I mean, before it won't take time. Please, Dhwani. It takes a little time, but it will give us the clarity of what you are learning, no? Just quickly save this and keep it saved. If you have problem, you can directly share your workings through your WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group which is used for communication with me and math. Don't save it, just share through WhatsApp group. So I have the answer from Siddhi. Yes, that's correct, Siddhi. Very well done. Siddhi is the fastest today for this question. Let's look at others. See, you were just thinking it will take time and Siddhi has forwarded her answer. Let's be quick. So Siddhi, you're going to be getting 1 mark for this. Where is Siddhi? Here. Siddhi in Aradhya's team. Correct. So we have numbers 25 and 35, and you have to find out the HCF using listing factors method. And as we discussed this method in our previous lessons, no, Jianshi, we are talking about HCF. We are not talking about LCM, no. We are learning listing factors using HCF. Finding HCF using listing factors method. So I have the answer from the other child, and it's Satish. So Satish 15. Satish, you listed factors, but you didn't find the HCF yet. Siddhi, there is a little problem. Let me show you. You didn't list all the factors. You didn't list all the factors, no? Try it again, Siddhi. For 25, what all are the factors? Let's quickly discuss this, revise this method. 25, you remember how we used to do? 1 times 25, 2 doesn't come, 3 doesn't come, 4, no, 5 times 5. So its factors are going to be 1, 5 and 25. The one that repeats, we don't write 2 times. Okay, for 35, that would be 1 times 35. It doesn't go, 2 not in 35, 3 not divisible, 4 no, 5 times 7. So your factors are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now we go for common factors, CF, it's 1 and 5. No? And what is the highest common factor? That is 5. This is the method which is called finding HCF using listing factor. The answer is 5. Hope you all understand. Right, kids? Let's have another question. No problem. First, we'll be having our learning done. So today we will only focus on HCF. I'll give you different methods as me and math give you a lot of methods. Then it is your choice what methods you really like to go ahead with. No? So math is not bound to one single method. N number of methods. What really clicks to you? You use that one. Let me give you another question here for again HCF using listing factor methods. HCF using listing factors method. So if I say it is 24 and 18, be careful, list out all the factors of 24, all the factors of 18, and then no, we don't multiply, Satish. I hope you are understanding. We just take common 1 and 5. We never multiply 1 times 5. No, that's not the method when we are talking about listing factors. Why would we multiply? Okay. So 18 and 24. We have to list out the factors of 18 and 24. Let's go ahead, kids. What all are the factors of? So I've got it from Siddhi again. Yes, Siddhi. That's correct. Now it is perfectly correct. Now do the next question, Siddhi. Siddhi, Satish, Sriharini, nothing received from you yet. Dhwani, drop the thing. Once you drop it, I mean, Siddhi has dropped. She knows what she missed. If you're not dropping, I can't see your notebook and I can't assist you properly, you know. So we have the question that shows 18 and 24. Let's see who's going to be responding first. Aradhya, we're not getting you responding. Aradhya? Very nice. Good job. Siddhi is very quick today. Siddhi is very quick today. Okay, Satish sent and correct. Yes, Satish. That's no, Satish. I mean, the last thing you're actually, missing out. So, let me share Siddhi's working with you. You would be understanding. No? So, okay. You look at her working and see what exactly to do there. Once you list out factors, so kids, let's understand Dwani and Jianshi as well as Sri Harini, Aradhya. We are not getting your workings. We are just getting Siddhi and Satish. So 24. Factors of 24. 1 times 24. 2 times 12. 3 times 8. 4 times 6. Not 5 and then 6. Okay. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factors of 18. Let's talk about factors of 18. 1 times 18. 2 times 9. 3 times 6. 4 times no. Okay. Repeats. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So let's list out common factors. 1 is common here, 2 is common here, 3 is common here and 6 is common here. When we write common factors, CF, that will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now here what we have to find, आपको simply highest, largest value find out करनी है, no? HCF. तो यहाँ पर कुछ भी product, add या कुछ भी नहीं करना है, आपको बस circle करना है the highest common factor. Out of common factors, which one is highest? So that is 6. Does it make sense? Okay. So if you can't send the working, you will be just doing it in a notebook. And once you feel like, even after the lesson, you can share. If your parents are not available, you can answer it here only. Sri Harini? Okay, so this was the method for listing out, because let me give you one more question. Kids, all of you please participate and answer. And Aradhya, the captain, I'm not able to see you quite active. No? Where are you, Aradhya? Where are you? Next question we'll be having, that is 20 and 16 maybe. Let's find out the HCF of 20 and 16. And how about one more number, maybe 20, 16 and 24. 24, you already have the factors. This time we are making it a little trickier. We have 3 numbers and we have to find out the HCF of 3 numbers using listing factors method. हमें क्या करना है? Listing factors method की help से HCF find out करना है. Let's get started, kids. (20, 16 and 24). Take your time, solve it and share the pictures or the answer over here. For the students who can share the pictures, don't miss it out. You share your pictures. For the students who can't for some reason, you share your answers here. Many students are absent today. Is it like they're confused that it was the test, so there wouldn't be a live lesson today? The day when we have team round in 3 months, that is what the day when we have no live lesson, or maybe the festive time or so. Otherwise we will have live lesson every Sunday. And if we are not having live lessons, say for example next week, you will be getting the announcement of that within the live lesson only. I mean, if it's not next week, teachers will announce that there would be no live lesson next week, no? Okay, so let me see if anyone has done. Siddhi, Satish, Sriharini. Be quick. I have it from Siddhi. Siddhi is quick today. No, Siddhi? So I think the batch is getting attracted towards you. Huh? Fastest responder batch. Okay. Siddhi says, correct. Well done, Siddhi. That's easy peasy, no? Did you get any questions like this today in your test? Satish, how long will it take for you? Sriharini, drop your answer here. And before the live lesson, please be ready with your pen, paper and everything. Okay, so as we all are clear with listing method, listing factors to find out the HCF, we will be understanding the next method, that is the Venn diagram, and that's easy, even interesting. So I have it from Satish. Yes, Satish. So this time it's perfectly correct. Right. We just need to take the highest out, and that is what the answer is. We have not to multiply or do anything in here. Okay. Using Venn diagram. So say for example, we have 20 and 16. So let me look at the factors of 20. It's 1, 2, 4, 5. I'm using your notebook, Satish. 10 and 20. And 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Oh, let me just quickly check. 1 times 16 is 16, 2 times 8 is 16, 4 times... Okay, that is correct. 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 10 is 20. Yeah, that's correct as well. Okay, that's our method, teacher's method to check whether all the factors are there or not. Okay, kids, now Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? The circles, we draw circles. First circle, maybe for 20. So factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. So what do we have in common? If they have anything in common, we draw these circles, like, circles are Venn diagram, we call them. First circle, we will draw it like this, where we have some common area. I mean, this is the common space, no? Why do we have the common space? Because we have some common factors. It's always nice to color, no? That's why I'm busy coloring. It always feels nice. Okay, so common factors are 1, 2 and 4, and now this is the circle for 20 and that is the circle for 16, say for example. So what we have to do, now we are going to list out. So 1 to 4 we have written the common area, then 5, 10 and 20 we're going to be writing like this for 20. Now for 16, 1 to 4 we have written here, 8 and 16 are outside in the circle of 16. So what are the common factors? 1 to 4. What's the highest common factor? It is 4. So HCF is 4. These Venn diagrams and things you will learn. I mean, that's, yes Satish, your answer is correct for sure. Good job. Right? So now let's try this Venn diagram method. So let me give you the question. It is 32 and 40. Okay, we have 32 and 40. You have to use the Venn diagram to list out the factors, common factors, and then highest common factor, HCF. So first we have to list out the factors, that is for sure. So Venn diagram is like the extension of highest factors, listing factors method. तो सबसे पहले हम listing factors method use करेंगे और फिर उसको हम Venn diagrams में fill करेंगे, right? And Siddhi, you are also correct. Okay, you have next question. Be quick. Be quick, kids. So we have to use the Venn diagram as I drew over here. You have to do the same thing and let me know what the highest common factor is. And then we will have ladder method. Ladder method is the most commonly used and quickest method. You know, last lesson we have written H and L, HL method, no? HL method is basic. Well, HL method is for LCM and HCF both, but ladder method we are going to be using for HCF. You will again learn this ladder method when we are going to be finding out HCF and LCM both together. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं कौन जल्दी से अपने आंसर शेयर कर रहा है मैम से. So सिद्धि, Satish, Sriharini, Aradhya, where are you? I mean, the captain is missing today. She's never like this, but today I don't know. Where are you, Aradhya? Dwani is also inactive for some reason. Okay, quickly respond. Share your responses. What you are writing in here. Take your time, no rush. 32 and 40 is the question to do. So we have another student here. Okay. Pooja Saini, please type in your name, the child's name. 8 says Sriharini. So is it Purnika? using the ID Padmini Shankar? You didn't get late. You very late. Very late. Hi, Samira. Every Sunday, we all are sitting together at 12. I mean, just block your time 12 to 1 sitting with me. Right? So, right at 12, we are going to be starting as we start. And Purnika, you missed a lot of things, but I won't let you miss the most important thing, that is just you. No? So let's have once again the announcement of the winner of the
3,
week.
2, 1.
Purnika here. You're looking very cute, Purnika. And Rayansh, the other one. Congratulations, Purnika and Rayansh again. You missed that, no? And we had a happy song and many other things. You missed all of them. Okay, Venn diagram we are doing. Using Venn diagram, we are trying to find out the HCF. So let me see if I have the workings. I have it from... That's a nice drawing, Siddhi. Right, 32, what the common is 1, 2. Okay, you didn't write 1, you should write 1 as well, Siddhi, no? And then was the highest common, just pick the highest. HCF you didn't find, so just complete this, write 1 there. Yeah, that's good, Purnika. Today I was on time. You can ask anyone. Okay, so it is all right, Siddhi, but you missed one thing. Just type add 1 and HCF. No problem. So we have 1, 2. A little messed up. Satish, it's a little messed up. Let's do it properly. Let's do it again properly. So yeah, and then I'll share you Siddhi's. I mean, the student who's really writing it very neatly and making it done clearly, I'll be sharing their screenshots to you, to other students for the reference. So we have question 32 and 40. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम HCF find out कर रहे हैं using the Venn diagram method. So 32, what are the factors of 32? 1, 2, 4. Very neatly done, Siddhi. 8, 16 and 32. 40 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Okay, fine. अभी हमारे common factors क्या है? We have common factors as 1, 2, 4 and 8. When we just circle these, no, it helps us. So I would suggest you to circle. हम अब 2 circles बनाएंगे क्योंकि हम Venn diagram कर रहे हैं. 2 circles अब इन्हें टच कराना है या नहीं वो डिसाइड करता है अगर हमारे पास कॉमन फैक्टर्स हैं. हमारे पास कॉमन फैक्टर्स हैं, सो वी विल बी मेकिंग देम लाइक दिस. मतलब हम इन्हें देयर शुड बी अ कॉमन एरिया. जो कॉमन स्पेस है वहाँ पर हम ये कॉमन नंबर्स लिखेंगे. मतलब 1 हमारा यहाँ पर जाएगा, लेट मी मेक इट थिकर. 1 यहाँ पर जाएगा, 2 यहाँ पर ही जाएगा, 4 and 8. ठीक है. अभी आप कुछ भी मत करो. इवन आपको अगर आप 32 फिल कर रहे हो और 40 फिल कर रहे हो, सो इट इज़ लाइक यू आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग एक्सटेंडेड लर्निंग. कैसे वेन डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ करते हैं. लेकिन अगर आप नहीं भी फिल करते हो तो जो लार्जेस्ट है ना वो आपका कॉमन है, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. 32 में आपने क्या किया, 1, 2, 4, 8 जो सर्कल्ड है वो हमारे यहाँ पर हैं. जो बच गए हैं उन्हें हम 32 के सर्कल में लिखेंगे. तो 32 पे, दिस इज़ फॉर यू सतीश, 32 के पास 16 and 32 बचा है, so it would be here. Okay, coming to 40 circle 10, 20 and 40. So you actually, we have 5, 10, 20 and 40. That is it. ये आपको करना था. Do you understand? We have the last method, that is the ladder method. If we have to do the same question 32 and 40 using the ladder method, हम एक long stick लेते हैं. The first step, let's keep comma in between. हमें सोचना है वो common number और हम हमेशा prime numbers use करते हैं. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. No? So let's divide it by 2. हम common divisor से divide करेंगे, मतलब ऐसा number जो दोनों को divide कर सके. So 2 without giving any remainder. Last lesson में हम लोगों ने short division भी सीखा था. Using that method we are going to be dividing. So it would be 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 20 is 40. Okay. Another we're going to be working out. So 16 और 20 ये दोनों किससे divide होंगे? Again 2. So हम 2 से फिर से divide करते हैं. 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 10 is 20. फिर से क्या हमारे पास common divisor है इनका? We do have again 2. So 2 से divide करते हैं. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 5 is 10. 4 and 5, I mean 5 is the prime number. The moment you get a prime number you have to stop. और अगर आपका prime number नहीं भी है but अगर उनका common divisor नहीं है you have to stop. ये आपका HCF है. This is what the HCF is. We draw it like this. HCF. It is H. So HCF क्या है बच्चों? It's 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. Using ladder method हम multiply करते हैं numbers को. If we are not using ladder method, we do the normal one. Hope you understanding this? ठीक है, तो ladder method की help से let's do further. Go ahead with a few more questions we have in presentation. 32 and 48. 32 के factors already we have 48. I mean अब हम ladder method use करेंगे, no? Let's use ladder method to find out the find out the HCF of 32 and 48. चलो अपनी अपनी notebooks में आप करो और मुझे share करो. Kids, start doing in your notebook and share the picture with me. Right now, let's focus on, we will go ahead with MCQs also. Right now, let's focus on learning. And when you are learning, it's very important for me to see what you actually are understanding, no? तो अभी आप अगर MCQs करने लग जाओगे, आप आंसर्स करेक्ट कर रहे हो, बट अगर आपके मेथड्स मैं नहीं देख पा रही हूँ, लाइक अप्रोच नहीं देख पा रही हूँ, सो आई वुडंट बी एबल टू हेल्प यू, नो? तो ठीक है, 32 and 48 we are going to be doing ladder method to find out the HCF. Out of these 3 methods, you can use any method, no problem, but around 5 questions ladder method के कर लेते हैं so that it's also strong. फिर आप you are free to switch to whatever method you want to go ahead with. ठीक है, I am waiting. I'm waiting for the answers from you. And I think if HCF is done today, next lesson we should go with LCM, multiples and finding common multiples and least common multiple. Those things we're going to be starting next lesson. So that would be a very fresh lesson. So I think you should definitely join that and don't miss it. Satish is very punctual child. Siddhi, definitely I would say. Many are not here, like Satvik was very punctual but missed today. I won't say Aradhya is not active. She was there but right now not active, so I don't know. Parnika, very, very late. But still, Parnika, we are just winding up, so at least encapsulating everything so you would be able to connect. No, Parnika? हम लोग रिविजन मोड पे हैं. ओके, तो चलो देखते हैं. सो आई एम हैविंग Samaira saying 16. Samaira, you have a number here. Can you see the number pinned? Let me again drop this number and you have to just take the picture and share it through WhatsApp. Share the picture through WhatsApp. Of your workings. I have it. See, Satish, Siddhi is very quick. Okay, so Parnika, if you are the first one to join, you will be the captain as well, no? Your butterflies are really beautiful, Siddhi, as you. सिद्धि आप कब देखेंगी मैम आपको? आप कब स्टार स्टूडेंट बनोगे बताओ? Oh, why separately? No. The ladder method. Okay, Siddhi, let's fix it. That's not a problem. It's definitely not wrong. But it would be faster, no? It would be faster. If you can think of, this would go even faster. If you feel like that method is working, that is also fine. I mean, what Siddhi did, Siddhi found out the factors, prime factors of 32 and prime factors of 40 separately, and then she took the common factors and got the answer. But here what we are doing, we are writing them together. Do you understand the difference, Siddhi? And if it makes sense, would you try this method please? For 32 and 48? Good attempt, Siddhi. That's not wrong at all. But I really want you to upgrade yourself to be a bit faster. Okay. In the meantime, Samaira, I'm waiting for you to share the picture. Samaira, आपने जैसे भी किया है, जो भी किया है, एक बार मैम को picture share करो, so that I can see what you're understanding. And kids, if you are a new joiner here or joined for the first time this live, next lesson हम नया topic start कर रहे हैं. So this is like आज का lesson end of previous topic था. Next Sunday हम नया topic start कर रहे हैं. So that is going to be, giving you the clear ground level जिससे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. So don't miss any lesson going ahead further starting from next week. No? और अगर लाइव लेसन नहीं है तो आपको अनाउंसमेंट प्रीवियस लेसन में ही मिल जाएगा, राइट? सो इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी अनाउंसमेंट, दैट मीन्स यू विल बी गेटिंग द अनाउंसमेंट फ्रॉम द लाइव सेशन इटसेल्फ और मे बी थ्रू GCR और योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी अनाउंसमेंट कि लेसन नहीं है आज, आप मिस नहीं करोगे. यू हैव टू ज्वाइन इट. ओके, सो एज यूजुअल सिद्धि ने फिनिश किया. सतीश इज़ हियर. सतीश ने तो बड़े सारे क्वेश्चंस कर लिए हैं. बट सतीश अच्छा जी, तो वो क्वेश्चंस आप पिक कर रहे हो जो आपको अच्छे लग रहे हैं. हाँ, और मैम ने आपको बोला है कि आप 32 और 48 का करो, तो वो आपने नहीं किया. वेरी नाइस. दैट इज़ करेक्ट सतीश. 40 and 60, 50 and 75. वी शुड हैव द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, नो, कि हम कौन सा क्वेश्चन चूज़ करना चाह रहे हैं. आई मीन किड्स के पास इतना फ्रीडम होनी चाहिए. इट्स नॉट लाइक टीचर्स गोना बी ओके ये वाला करो वो वाला करो. व्हाट यू लाइक यू शुड गो अहेड विद. आई लाइक दिस सतीश. Nine. Well, the answer is correct, but 9 is not the prime numbers. No, Satish. So you can go with 3. That was also correct. But जो 81 को आपने डिवाइड किया ना, तो वो रॉन्ग हो गया. 3 times 37 नहीं आ सकता. नो, 3 times 3 is 9. That is 27. जब आपका 27 नहीं आया तो आपने सोचा अरे ये क्या हो रहा है. नो, Good job. Well done. Okay. So Siddhi has it again. Nice, Siddhi. जब सिद्धि हम ये मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं ना तो वी आर एक्चुअली फोकसिंग अलॉट. Math is like making your brain ready for unseen, opportunities to explore the world by giving you the time of focus. आप अगर फोकस नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप मिस आउट कर जाओगे. एंड दिस इज़ वॉट कौन सा सब्जेक्ट ट्रेन कर रहा है हमें मैथ्स ट्रेन कर रहा है टू रियली गेट द बेस्ट ब्रेन आउट ऑफ अस. Madam, how come 40 divided by 2 is 24? You wrote 40 instead of 48. I got it. Just correct that. It should be 48. Yes, that's correct. Just make it 48. Rest is correct. Nice, kids. So, श्रीहरिणी, आप मैम को सरप्राइज दे रहे हो. हाँ, अच्छा ठीक. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे श्रीहरिणी? इसके बाद हम HCF फाइंड आउट करेंगे. HCF फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मैं आपको देती हूँ किसकी नोटबुक? मैं आपको देती हूँ सिद्धि की नोटबुक. ठीक है. सो कैसे HCF फाइंड आउट करते हैं आप देखो. हम लोग H बनाते हैं ना इधर. श्रीहरिणी, मैम आई कांट शेयर, और फिर उसके बाद आपने वर्किंग शेयर कर दी. दैट्स नाइस. ओके, सो किड्स, अभी वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं एंड देन वी गोना बी वाइंडिंग अप. बट ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन यू गोना बी चूजिंग. आप इस स्क्रीन से भी चूज कर सकते हो और इस स्क्रीन से भी चूज कर सकते हो. Choose one single question you want to do using any method you want to go ahead with. Ladder method, Venn diagram method, or listing factors method to find out the HCF. Okay, so Samaira, Pernika, Siddhi, Dhwani, Satish, Sriharini, and my girl Aradhya, who was here but not here. Next lesson is very important. We are starting the new topic, that is multiples. We will learn about multiples, listing multiples, common multiples, and least common multiple, LCM. That's very important. And once we are done with LCM as well, we will have HCF and LCM together. And in this topic, the most struggling thing is word problems. We're going to be talking about word problems also. We are about to end, don't worry. Just plug your device in. And I'm just waiting. Kids, no problem. I'm expecting you have picked one question from here. Just solve that out and share the picture with me. Right? So, see you in next lesson. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a great day, kids.